Looking for an easy way to move, rotate, open and close objects in SketchUp? The DBS Move, Rotate, Open, Close plugin is a powerful tool that simplifies objects animation and movement in SketchUp. Whether you are working on doors, window furniture or mechanical components, these plugins make it super easy to create realistic models. In this video, I shall show you the uses of this plugin with step-by-step instructions. So don't forget to like, subscribe our channel for more future updates. You can download this plugin and install it in SketchUp from extension manager. Okay, let's start. First of all, you can select the object you want to move or rotate, but make sure it is a group or component in SketchUp. Go to setting, select hinge, and you can select the axis x, y or z, uh, depend on your object you want to move or rotate. Then you can slide the object in a straight line or turn the objects around a point, grid for door and windows, and then you can select set as open and close motion. Right click and select set as open. Click apply or play to see the motion. Adjust if needed for smooth animation. Now let's do it on drawer. Select the drawer, settings, slide, set axis and move. Right click DBS and set as open. And now you can see it is working so good.